Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Nioh 3, including the interface, subtitles, and voice language. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get right into it. First, launch Nioh 3. Once you're in the main menu, go to System. From there, select Language Settings. Under the Text option, you can change the interface language and subtitles. Choose the language you want from menus and on-screen text. Next, go to the Voice option. Here, you can switch the voice language between English and Japanese. Select the option you prefer. Once you've chosen your languages, press Back. When prompted, press Yes to confirm the changes. The new language settings will now be applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Nioh 3. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.